Are you looking for the best electric guitars? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best electric guitars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Donner DLP 124B Electric Guitar Beginner Kit. The Donner DLP 124B Electric Guitar Beginner Kit is a fantastic option for players starting their musical journey. Here's a detailed breakdown of the guitar and its included features. Donner DLP 124B Overview. The DLP 124B is modeled after the classic Les Paul design, providing a mix of stylish aesthetics and practical functionality, ideal for beginners and intermediate players. Key features. 1. Solid body construction. Body material. Solid basswood for a balanced warm tone that works well across genres. Finish. Sleek, glossy black finish that exudes classic rock vibes. 2. Humbucker pickups. Equipped with Donner 202S humbuckers, offering a noise-free, smooth tone. Ideal for versatile styles like rock, blues, jazz, and even light metal. 3. Neck and fingerboard. Neck material. Canadian maple with an okame neck, designed for durability and smooth playability. Fingerboard material. Laurel wood for a comfortable feel. Profile. C-shaped neck profile for effortless playing, perfect for beginners. Frets. 22 copper-nickel frets with position markers for easy navigation. 4. Controls and switching. 3-way pickup selector. Switch between bridge, neck, or both pickups for tonal variety. Knobs. Includes a volume knob and 2 tone controls for customizing your sound. 5. Hardware. Bridge. Tune-o-matic style for stable tuning and improved sustain. Tuning pegs. Die-cast tuners that provide reliable and accurate tuning. Kit accessories. The beginner kit includes all the essentials to get started. Padded gig bag. Protects your guitar during transport or storage. Guitar cable. High-quality cable for connecting to amps or pedals. Strap. Comfortable strap for standing play. Picks. Includes picks for immediate use. Who is it for? Beginners. The DLP 124B provides a comfortable learning experience with everything needed to start. Budget-conscious players. High value for a complete beginner's kit at an affordable price. Casual hobbyists. Perfect for those wanting to explore guitar without committing to high-end gear. Pros. Affordable and beginner-friendly. Stylish and durable design. Versatile tones with humbucker pickups. Complete kit with essential accessories. Cons. Basic hardware, suitable for beginners but may need upgrades for advanced players. Humbuckers are solid for the price but not as refined as premium options. The Donner DLP 124B is an excellent value-packed option for those entering the world of electric guitars. Would you like recommendations on pairing it with an amp or advice on learning resources? Number 2. Ibanez GIO Series GRX70QA in Transparent Blue Burst. Ibanez GIO Series GRX70QA in Transparent Blue Burst is a popular and budget-friendly electric guitar, perfect for beginners and intermediate players. Its eye-catching design and versatile sound make it an excellent choice for players who want quality and style at an affordable price. Key features. 1. Stunning design. Finish. Transparent blue burst with a quilted maple art grain top, giving it a premium look. Body material. Poplar body, known for its lightweight feel and bright, balanced tonal qualities. 2. Neck and fingerboard. Neck material. Maple neck with a smooth satin finish for comfortable playability. Fingerboard material. Treated New Zealand pine or jatoba, depending on the model year, offering a warm tone and smooth surface. Frets. 22 medium frets with dot inlays for easy navigation. 3. Versatile electronics. Pickup configuration. HSH, humbucker single humbucker, providing a wide tonal range. Bridge pickup. Powers through for heavy, aggressive tones. Middle pickup. Single coil for bright and clean tones. Neck pickup. Smooth, warm tones, great for rhythm and leads. 5-way pickup selector switch. Offers a variety of tonal options, from sharp and crisp to full and powerful. Controls: one master volume and one tone knob for fine tuning. 4. Bridge and hardware. Bridge: T106 tremolo bridge for pitch bending and expressive playing. Tuners: standard Ibanez tuners that provide good stability for tuning. Hardware color: chrome, complementing the transparent blue burst finish. Specifications: scale length: 25.5 inches. Body: poplar with quilted maple art grain top. Neck: GRX maple. Fingerboard: Jatoba or treated pine. Pickups: Infinity R humbuckers and an Infinity RS single coil. Bridge: T106 tremolo. Who is it for? Beginners. Easy playability and wide tonal range make it perfect for learning various styles. Intermediate players. Reliable quality for practice, recording, and casual gigs. Genre versatility. Great for rock, metal, blues, pop, and more. Pros: eye-catching transparent blue burst finish. Versatile HSH pickup configuration. Smooth playability with a comfortable neck. Reliable build quality at an affordable price. Cons: stock pickups are decent but may not satisfy advanced players. Tremolo bridge is not ideal for heavy whammy bar use, may go out of tune under extreme use. The Ibanez GRX 70QA is a fantastic option for players who want a stylish guitar that delivers versatile tones without breaking the bank. Would you like advice on accessories or amp pairings for this model? Number 3. Enya NovaGo Sonic Smart Electric Guitar. The Enya NovaGo Sonic Smart Electric Guitar is a modern, innovative instrument designed for players seeking portability, cutting-edge features, and convenience. Here's a detailed overview. Key features of the Enya NovaGo Sonic. 1. Carbon fiber build. Material: made from a high-quality carbon fiber composite, making it lightweight, durable, and resistant to temperature and humidity changes. Size: compact 35-inch body, perfect for travel or on-the-go practice. Design: sleek and minimalist aesthetic, blending modern technology with practicality. 2. Onboard Sonic DSP presets. Equipped with built-in effects and presets, including reverb, delay, and modulation, enabling you to customize your sound without external gear. Perfect for practice sessions or casual performances without needing a pedal board. 3. Wireless speaker. Includes a 10W wireless speaker for easy amplification without cables or large amps. The speaker is designed to work seamlessly with the guitar, offering convenience and portability. 4. Electronics. Pickups. Custom-designed piezo-style pickups for a clean, balanced tone. Output options. Traditional jack output for connecting to amps or interfaces. Wireless capability for connecting to the included speaker or other wireless systems. 5. Battery-powered. Rechargeable battery. The guitar features a built-in battery with USB charging, offering hours of playtime on a single charge. Charging cable. Included for convenience. Additional accessories. Gig bag. Lightweight and padded for safe transport. Adjusting wrench. For neck adjustments to suit your playing style. Charging cable. Keeps your guitar and speaker ready for use. Specifications. Scale length: 23.5 inches. Body material: carbon fiber composite. Neck and fingerboard: carbon fiber with smooth edges for comfortable playing. Frets: 22 frets. Connectivity: wireless and traditional output. Weight: extremely lightweight, around 2.7 pounds for the guitar. Who is it for? Traveling musicians. Compact and durable, ideal for musicians on the go. Beginners and hobbyists. Easy to use and comes with built-in effects to experiment with tones. Tech enthusiasts. Appeals to those who enjoy modern, innovative instruments with wireless capabilities. Casual players. Perfect for playing in smaller spaces without heavy equipment. Pros: lightweight and highly portable design. Built-in effects and wireless capabilities eliminate the need for additional gear. Durable, weather-resistant carbon fiber construction. Rechargeable battery for convenience. Comes as a complete package with useful accessories. Cons: Compact size may feel small for players used to full-size guitars. Limited tonal options compared to traditional electric guitars with multiple pickups. Wireless speaker may not match the power of larger amps. The Enya NovaGo Sonic is an excellent choice for players seeking an all-in-one, portable, and stylish electric guitar. It combines modern technology with ease of use, making it perfect for practice, travel, and light performances. Would you like advice on how to use its features or comparisons with similar smart guitars? Number 4. Enya NovaGo SP1 Carbon Fiber Acoustic. It seems like you're referring to the Enya NovaGo SP1 Carbon Fiber Acoustic Electric Guitar with Smart Acoustic Plus, which is a highly portable and feature-packed instrument. Here's a summary of its features and what the bundle includes. Product features. Material. Made of carbon fiber composite, making it highly durable and resistant to temperature and humidity changes, perfect for travel and outdoor play. Size. A 35-inch travel guitar that's compact yet delivers rich sound. Great for players on the go or those looking for a smaller, more comfortable guitar. Smart Acoustic Plus technology. Built-in reverb, delay, and chorus effects can be used without external amplification, enhancing your acoustic experience. Acoustic electric functionality. The guitar features a built-in pickup, allowing you to plug it into an amp or PA system for live performances. Design. Sleek and lightweight with a modern, stylish black finish. Rechargeable system. Comes with a rechargeable battery for powering the Acoustic Plus effects. Starter bundle includes gig bag. Protects your guitar during travel. Guitar strap. Adjustable for comfort. Spare strings. For easy replacement when needed. Charging cable. To recharge the onboard Acoustic Plus system. Instrument cable. For connecting to amps or audio interfaces. Why choose the Enya NovaGo SP1? Portability. Perfect for travel and outdoor settings. Durability. Carbon fiber construction ensures it withstands environmental challenges. Innovative features. Integrated effects add versatility to your playing. Complete package. The starter bundle includes everything you need to get started. Would you like help finding reviews, purchase options, or additional information about this guitar? Number 5. Fender SixString Electric Guitar Pack. The Fender SixString Electric Guitar Pack 0379800006 is a complete starter bundle designed for beginners and intermediate players who want a reliable, affordable electric guitar with everything needed to start playing. Here's a detailed breakdown of what this package offers. Features of the guitar. Body style. Classic Fender Stratocaster design with a double cutaway body, perfect for comfortable playing and easy access to higher frets. Pickup configuration. Features 3 single-coil pickups, providing the bright, versatile tone that Fender is known for. A 5-way pickup selector allows players to experiment with a variety of sounds, from clean tones to rock and blues. Neck. A smooth, comfortable neck profile, ideal for beginners learning chords and scales. Standard 22 frets for a full playing range. Finish. Sleek black finish with a matching pickguard and chrome hardware for a modern professional look. Included accessories. This pack is designed to give players everything they need to start playing right away. Amplifier. A compact Fender amp that delivers clear sound with built-in EQ controls and overdrive settings for versatility. Cable. A durable instrument cable for connecting the guitar to the amp. Guitar strap. Adjustable strap for comfortable playing while standing. Gig bag. A lightweight protective bag for easy transport. Picks. A set of guitar picks to get started. Instructional materials. Often includes a beginner's guide or online lessons to help new players learn quickly. Who is it for? Beginners. The pack includes everything needed to start learning guitar. Budget-friendly buyers. A great entry-level guitar at an affordable price. Versatile players. The Stratocaster design and pickup configuration work for various genres, including rock, blues, pop, and more. Why choose the Fender Electric Guitar Pack? Trusted Fender quality for tone and durability. A complete bundle, no need to buy extra accessories separately. Versatile sound suitable for many genres and playing styles. Would you like help comparing this to other beginner guitar packs or finding the best deals online?